Y'all. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Fitness Friday. This is a video I've been wanting to do for a while and I've been putting it off, honestly, if I'm really real with you as to why I've been putting it off. If I'm really honest as to why I've been putting it off, it is 100% me being lazy and just not feeling like doing it. But I finally have a day where I have the time and the means and the smallest amount of motivation to do it. So here we are. My husband just left to go do deadlifts and I was feeling really lazy and did not want to go and do it. And I figured a good way I could justify not going and deadlifting today is by staying home and finally doing this video. Please ignore this little bug bite here. I got bit by a spider. I know it was a spider because I saw a spider and I was going to get rid of said spider or have my friend do so, and when he went to get the spider, it had disappeared, and then all of a sudden I was bit the next day. So by science, I have deduced that that particular spider knew I was after him and was trying to get me first. Anyway, so today's video, as I'm sure you gathered from the title and the thumbnail, is finally going to be my at-home workout video. I have a pair of dumbbells and I'm going to show you workouts that you can do at home with said dumbbells if you are unable or unwilling to go to the gym. I personally don't do a lot of at-home workouts, but they are possible, and I'm going to show you that they are doable with just a pair of dumbbells, or you don't have dumbbells, cans of tomato sauce, some cans of beans, your toddlers, whatever you need to use, you can use, and I'm going to show you how to do that at home right now. Before we get into this video, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I put out new videos every week, and every once in a while I put out 2 videos a week, one of them being a fitness video like today. That's what this is. Fitness Friday, whatever, or Flex Friday. I haven't really landed on that yet. If you want to follow me on my social media, I will put them on the screen here. Bradderstein is makeup related stuff and Fatterstein is fitness related stuff, where I film my videos doing actual workouts at the gym. So if you want to see that as well, make sure to follow that Instagram, because then you will see things. And I think now we should just go ahead and get into the video. You want to do that? Or should we do that? I think we should do that right now. It's going to be a voiceover. I'm just going to let you know now because there's a lot of background noise in my house right now, so I'm going to do a voiceover for the rest of this video until the outro. So let's go ahead and do that right now. If you would like to see my at-home workouts that you can do from the comfort of your own living room, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so what we're going to get started with first is upper body, and we're going to do dumbbell shoulder press. These dumbbells are 15 pounds, which is like an adequate weight for me to do multiple reps with the overhead press. Right here, I believe I do 10. Make sure when you're doing these, you're keeping your arms even. As you see, when I bring them down, it basically brings a straight line from elbow to elbow, and that you're not going too far back or too far forward. We are now going to switch to the lower body. I like to go back and forth. So here, this is dumbbell Romanians. These are like my favorite butt exercise ever, and I'm so irritated about the framing that I did for this move. I should have angled it lower. I realize that now. I'm so sorry. But these are my favorite. Just keep the dumbbells close to your shins all the way down, all the way up. You want to go just low enough that your back doesn't start to round too much. I feel like I went a little too low here. And then when you come up to the top, just squeeze your glutes in. And this is a great butt exercise. And just like with the shoulder press, we're going for about 10 to 15 reps. It all just depends on how heavy the weights you have are for you. But if you can do 10 to 15, do 10 to 15. And now that we're done with this, we're going right back into upper body, and we're going to do dumbbell rows. This is for your back. Now, when you're doing this, you're going to want to make sure you're pulling your shoulder blade towards the center of your back. That's the cue that I use to make sure that I'm activating my back and not just my bicep. So you pull your shoulder blade back so that your lat's engaged, and then bring it back down and pull it back up. This is a lightweight for me on this, but it's still fairly doable. Doable, what? I mean effective. It's an effective weight for me, even though it's on the lighter side. That's why I go for multiple reps, so that I still get a sufficient workout, even though the weight is not especially heavy for me. This is lightweight for me doing my Romanian dumbbells deadlifts, dumbbell deadlifts as well, but that's why I go for multiple reps, so I still get a sufficient workout. And again, we're going back into lower body. You're going to notice a theme here of going upper body, lower body, upper body, lower body. So now what we're doing here is a goblet squat. You could just do regular bodyweight squats if you don't normally do squats. That would still probably be sufficient for you. But since when I'm at the gym, I squat with back squats with weight, I added the dumbbell here to make it a little heavier. And just make sure to get to depth. Anyone who says not to go to depth is wrong. Don't listen to them. They're just wrong. Haha, I'm just kidding. But they're going to make fun of you. They're all going to laugh at you. And now guess what we're going to do? Upper body. So we're going to do bicep curls. This is the one move in this video where I actually only get to 8 reps. And that's because my biceps are literally weak as shit. So these 15 pounds are actually heavy for me. So that's why I couldn't do 10 to 15 reps, because my little baby muscles are not capable of doing that many reps with this weight. I typically start with 10s and then warm up to 15s, but since I only have 15s available at the moment, that is why I am doing 15s. I know I need to work on my biceps because my legs are so strong and my arms are so weak. But the thing is, I hate it, and that's why I hardly do it, and I'm so sorry, but I'd rather have every day be leg day and not do arms or abs. Anybody with me? Comment down below if you feel me on that. Now, at this point, you might be feeling a little fatigued because you should be doing, by the way, 4 sets of the 10 to 15 reps. I forgot to mention that. So go ahead and take a kitty cat break and then get right back into it. We're going to do tricep extensions here, is what I believe this is called. This is my favorite tricep move, mostly because it's like the easiest tricep move for me, because again, like my biceps, my triceps are shit. Please ignore my double chin because it is not cute, and I know that. But anyways, tricep extensions, they work the back of your arm where you get that little chubby spot, just like the chubby spot under my neck right now. So now we're going to go in with 2 chest moves, and we're going to do them in a superset. So what I mean when I say superset is we're going to do one exercise, and then right after, without taking a break, do another exercise. So what we're doing now is floor press. This is equivalent to doing like a dumbbell bench press on a bench, but you're doing it on your floor, which is keeping your elbows from going into the wrong spot. And now here's where we do the superset, and these are chest flies. This is actually a relatively heavy weight for me to do with chest flies. I didn't realize, but it's been a while since I've done them. So you go ahead and let your arms fall to your sides, but keep a small bend in your elbow and try not to knock the cat unconscious in the process. And now that you've finished your sets with the 10 to 15 reps, if you were able to do those, get ready for the heavy lifting because things are about to get a little serious. You're going to lay back on your back and you're going to grab your little kitty cat here, get him in a nice position where he feels comfortable, and do some little raises with him to give you some satisfaction and some workout and him some happiness, because all he wants is all of the attention in the world. And just remember, when the little guy's over it, you are done. Now we're going to move right back into the lower body, and we're going to do body weight glute bridges. If you wanted to make it a little heavier, you could always hold a weight on your pelvis, but I just decided to do body weight for these. You just push your hips to the sky, keep your feet pretty close to your butt, and tighten the glutes at the top. And this is also a very good butt workout. And honestly, what's better than a good butt workout? Nothing. That's what. So go ahead and hold the last one. That's what I like to do with all my moves. And then I decided to be silly and roll around and be a child. So this is going to be the end of our workout. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to have fun with your workouts, because if you don't have fun, you're not going to keep doing them. That's the reason I've been so successful in what I do, is because I like doing what I do. I like working out. I like doing weights. If weights aren't your thing, do yoga, do Pilates, do whatever it is that you enjoy doing. Just make sure to get active and stay healthy, and to love up on all of your animals, of course. Bye, guys. All right, guys, so those were my at-home workouts. What did you think? Did you learn anything new? Is there anything that you are going to try? They're all fairly basic moves, and you can definitely adjust accordingly to your skill level or your desired, workout goals and needs. But this is like the first series of just basic stuff you can do at home. Give me a comment down below. Let me know if you can think of anything else that I could have added to this, or if there's anything that you have a question about, or if you just want to say hi. Go ahead and do that. Just say hi. I'll say hi back. We'll just have a conversation. You talk to me, I talk to you. Yeah. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave so you can see more videos like this, or makeup videos, sometimes food videos, lots of different types of videos. And let me know down below if you have any suggestions for future fitness/flex Friday videos, because I would love your input on this, because I have a little bit of trouble coming up with ideas for this specific series, and I would like to keep it going and do it more often, so let me know. And I think that, what is all this hair on my face? And yeah, I think that's going to complete this video. I will see you guys next time. And if you're still watching, why don't you go ahead and click on one of these videos over here. These are links to videos I put up in the past. And if you click on my face right over here, it'll take you to where you can subscribe to my channel so we can hang out all the time. You can play my video. We can work out together. We can just talk. It's a good idea. I think you should do this. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye, guys.